Hey everybody, happy summer. It's hot, it's gonna get hotter. We are in the infancy of the summer months here upon us here in Illinois. I can't stress to you guys enough the importance of making sure that you guys are hydrated. Make sure you're hydrated, make sure your kiddos are hydrated when you're out there playing baseball and you're running and cycling and staying active this summer. Make sure that you are, I'm gonna give you guys a recipe here at the bottom of this little video that you can make at home that is a simple alternative to the sports drinks. I learned it from Mary Bingham when she was the nutritionist for the Miami Dolphins. They're actually reverting to this because there's less of the crashing that you would kind of get from the excess sugars and all that commercially processed stuff that you find in like the Gatorades and Powerades. But one excellent post-workout, post-run, post-cycle, whatever it is, baseball game treat that you can enjoy is actually watermelon. It's got citrulline in it, which is an amino acid that helps to your body to recover from athletic activity. And let's face it, watermelon is basically just water anyway, so it's a simple way that you can rehydrate yourself in a delicious way, or you can just pop it in your juicer, make a big glass of juice and consume it that way. But look at the bottom. I'll have the simple recipe for you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Take care, stay cool this summer, stay hydrated, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.